Are you the first mechanic or car enthusiast in the family,
Oh,
or is there
sorry.
somebody before?
Yeah, there's somebody before. My mom's brother.
Okay. So did he play a part in
No,
the business? Not at all.
no,
Not the one day he gave you a set of spinners, or you were
No.
watching him like maybe that's something I want to do as a
no.
lady.
He lives in human store.
Okay.
So like it's not here.
Uh,
No. But it's in the family.
okay. Would you like it to extend past your generation to your kids and grandchildren?
Definitely, yes, because I mean you can make a good income out of it.
Mm.
Like you can make good money when there's good money in the business, definitely.
Mm.
So I'm not gonna be like what those parents of must study, you must that. In today's world, okay, this is my opinion.
Go
But
for
in
it.
today's world, you don't need to study to become a millionaire. You
Yeah.
don't. Most of the millionaires I know
How many
who have
millionaires
been
do you
with
know?
a lot
Okay.
that I've been with that I've seen things. They okay, don't leave school. Don't leave school.
Yeah.
Finish your school. Just like have that matric certificate as a backup.